Up for sale today, we got a 66 Corvette Coupe, finished in its original colors, Milano Maroon with black interior. It's a nice Corvette, number matching, 327, 300 horsepower, upgraded turbo 350 transmission from the 2-speed power glide that it came with from the factory. It's got a little mark right there. The chrome is nice. The paint is nice. It's just got I'm not gonna say it's an older paint because it shows nice. It's just got a few like stone chips. The previous owner enjoyed it, drove it around. It's what you do with any Corvette, I imagine. Just take a moment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. Helps me out. I post cars all the time. I'm just recovering from the flu, so you'll see plenty more cars where this one came from. A little bit of clear coat fading right there. That's the only area on the car where it has that. Bonding strips in place. Factory hubcaps. The paint shows really nice though. Another little mark right there. A couple little marks there. The bird cage is nice and solid. No rust. Door panels are nice. There is like a little seam right there. The black interior. I'm not good with telling if it's leather or not. It kind of feels like leather. It has that look like it is leather. I'll be posting it on eBay later this week, so if you're depending on when you're watching it, it will be for sale. It's a very deep paint. I love this color. Like a little scuff right there. So again, if you're just checking into the video, 66 number matching coupe, 327, 300 horsepower, upgraded turbo 350 trans. Oh yeah, show you that area again. It's nice. No rust in the pillars. Solid bird cage. It'll be for sale soon. NextGenClassicCars.com. It'll be for sale on eBay. You can find that from my link in the description that I'll have when I post it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you the driving video now. The tack doesn't work. The clock does work. Good thing you don't need a tack because it's automatic.